Hi, I'm Kev Johnson, Systems Engineer with Runecast Solutions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deploy the vSphere client plugin from the appliance. First, log into the appliance, and then we need to go to Settings, and we can see here that we have a vCenter server already configured up. So because I created this in a previous video, we're all good. We can just hit Install Plugin, and we can click Install. Now, if we were running with read-only privileges, you may remember in the previous video I mentioned about some extra privileges that might be required for some functionality, then we wouldn't be able to hit install because we wouldn't have the privileges required to push the plugin. In that case, we need to download the PowerCLI script and we execute that with an administrative user against a vCenter server. Because in this case, I did create those privileges, I can hit install, and we can see that the plugin is now successfully registered. So if we come into the vSphere client here, we can see that the plugin has been successfully deployed. In some situations, it may be required that you log out and back into the vSphere client itself, as that's when the plugins are actually deployed. So we can come down here and we can see that it's not been possible to get data from the Runecast Analyzer appliance as yet. Let's go to the settings and then we can configure this up. So our fully qualified domain name is runecast.runecast.lab, and then we need this API access token. Where do we get that from then? Okay, so if we go back into the vSphere client, into the Runecast client, and then we come to the API access tokens menu item there. We need to generate an API access token. Now this token is what is used to authenticate the session from the vSphere client plugin back to the Runecast Analyzer appliance. So if we generate a token, we'll give it a name. So this is for the vSphere client plugin. We can make it expire if that's what we want to do, but generally I wouldn't recommend that for the vSphere client plugin. And we can make it either an admin account or we can make it a read-only account. The only difference between the two is that an admin account can trigger a Runecast Analyzer scan for a vCenter, whereas the read-only account is not able to do that. Let's go with the admin account and we hit generate. So we get this API access token. Let's just copy that and we go back in here and we can paste this in. Now immediately this is going to do a quick check and we can see that the connection is successful. So if we hit save settings, and now if we go to the main view, we can see this is all good. We can see we had a scan that happened at this time. So if we go back to our hosts and clusters view, we can now see the findings within the widget there. That's everything for this video. I hope it was useful. If you have any problems, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us at support@runecast.com. Thanks very much.